In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an Exchange account to Outlook step by step. This is perfect if you're setting up a new work email, switching computers, or just reinstalling Outlook and need to reconnect your Exchange account quickly and correctly. This process works for most modern versions of Outlook on desktop and uses Microsoft's built-in AutoDiscover feature to handle the setup for you. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and up-to-date software tutorials. All right, let's jump right into it. First, make sure Outlook is fully open on your computer. Once Outlook is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click on Settings. In some versions, you may see this as a gear icon, but clicking it will open your Outlook settings panel. Inside Settings, navigate to the Accounts section. This is where Outlook manages all email accounts connected to the app. Under Accounts, look for an option labeled Your Accounts. This section shows every email account currently connected to Outlook. Next, click on Add Account. This is the option you'll use to connect a new Exchange account. Once you click Add Account, Outlook will prompt you to enter your email address. Carefully type in your full Exchange email address, making sure there are no spelling errors. After entering the email address, click on Connect. At this point, Outlook will automatically begin the setup process. Now, this is where AutoDiscover comes in. AutoDiscover is a Microsoft feature that automatically finds the correct server settings for your Exchange account. In most cases, you don't need to enter any manual server information at all. Outlook will communicate with Microsoft servers and your organization's Exchange server to configure everything behind the scenes. While this happens, you may see a loading screen or a message saying that Outlook is setting things up. If your organization uses Microsoft 365 or a hosted Exchange service, you may be prompted to sign in with your work or school account. Enter your password when asked and complete any additional security steps, such as multi-factor authentication if required. Once authentication is complete, AutoDiscover will finish configuring your mailbox, calendar, contacts, and other Exchange features automatically. After the setup completes, you should see a confirmation message letting you know that your account was successfully added. Click Done or Finish to complete the process. Your Exchange email will now begin syncing in Outlook. Depending on the size of your mailbox, it may take a few minutes for all emails, folders, and calendar items to fully appear. Before you close Outlook, it's a good idea to quickly verify that everything is working. Check that new emails are loading, your folders are visible, and your calendar appears correctly. If everything looks good, your Exchange account is now fully set up and ready to use in Outlook. And that's it. You've successfully added an Exchange account to Outlook using AutoDiscover. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.